In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart in Miro. We will be doing this right inside a Miro board, using a simple highlight element that you can quickly label and reuse as you lay out your timeline. Start by opening Miro in your browser and going to your board. You can use any existing board for this, or a blank board if you prefer a clean space. Once the board is open, take a moment to zoom to a comfortable level so the canvas is easy to read. Having a bit of open space on the canvas will make the next actions feel smoother. Next, find the highlight option in Miro. This is the tool you will use to create a clear labeled block that can represent a taskbar on your Gantt chart. Click on Highlight to activate it. When Highlight is selected, you are essentially telling Miro that anything you create next should stand out visually, which is useful for timeline planning because tasks need to be easy to scan at a glance. After you click Highlight, type your text directly into the highlight. This text should be the name of the task you want to track. Keep task names short and specific so they are readable when you zoom out. For example, use a clear label that describes the work being done rather than a long sentence. As you enter the text, focus on consistency. Using a similar naming style for each task will help your Gantt chart feel organized and professional. If you plan to build a full chart, you can repeat the same action for each additional task, placing each highlighted label where it makes sense on the canvas for your schedule. A helpful tip is to leave enough spacing between items so that you have room to expand later if your plan changes. Once your highlight text is in place, you have the foundation you need to start forming a Gantt-style layout. Clear task labels that can be arranged into a timeline on your Miro board. And that is all there is to it.